Hi, today we are going to explore a beautiful world of growing pothos at home. Pothos, also known as devil ivy, is able to thrive in a variety of conditions, making it a plant which is very difficult to kill. Therefore, it's a perfect plant for beginners. If you want to buy the first plant, I recommend you to choose pothos. Pothos is not only a visually appealing plant with beautiful vines and leaves, it also cleans air. It provides oxygen and it removes some toxins from the air. There are different varieties of pothos, so you can choose the one with just green leaves. You can also choose golden pothos with golden marbling on the leaf, and you have also marble queen pothos, which have beautiful leaves with varieties of white, yellow and green. You can choose the one you like, but generally the simpler pothos leaves, like truly green, the easier it is to grow it, because it doesn't require too much sun, for example, and it's not as picky to the requirements. So if it's your first plant, I recommend you to choose the simplest plant. If it's not your first plant and you want to increase your collection, then you can look at other varieties that I just named. So now that you have your plant, let's look how to maintain it. Generally, they do not need very bright light, which makes it perfect for almost anywhere in your house. You can put it next to the window, you can put it further away, somewhere in the corner, and it would still be great. So for example, some people put it in a corner, which is a few meters away from the window, and you have this beautiful green plant, which doesn't need much light. That's one of the locations to consider. But in any case, almost any location in your home would be great. Watering pothos requires slightly dry soil, so do let the soil dry a little bit between waterings. And if you are not sure if you should water now or not, just give it a few more days before watering. For those people who actually kill pothos, which is, as I said, super difficult, mostly kill it because they water them too much. And don't forget to wipe your leaves regularly to ensure that all the dust is wiped off, so it has this vibrant, beautiful color, and also able to photosynthesize better. When you need to repot your soil, you can use any universal soil mix. You can also use slightly drier succulent mix. Almost any mix would work. Propagation is also very easy. Even without rooting hormone, pothos would form roots. However, there is a simple trick how to ensure that you are more successful than generally, and I do have a whole video about how to propagate pothos, so do watch it after this video because it provides some very good advice. There are not many issues with pothos when you grow them, especially if you follow what I mentioned. If you notice, for example, that the leaves becoming yellow, it could be that it's a sign of overwatering or too much direct sunlight. Very rare, it's lack of nitrogen in the soil. If the leaves are turning brown and crispy, it can be a sign of low humidity. So just spray your plant occasionally, or put some tray of water next to it, and they should become fine. Obviously, those leaves that already dried, they will not become green again, but the new leaves would be growing green and happy. So growing pothos at home is a really nice way to have a plant at home and to connect with nature. And whether you are just a beginner or an experienced gardener, pothos will give you a lot of nice and happy moments by looking at how fast it grows and how happy it is in your environment with the minimal care that you provide. Now, don't forget to subscribe and see my other videos. I provide a lot of information about growing plants at home, in your garden, on the terrace, and anywhere else. See you in my next video. Bye.